Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109, and today I would like to show you how you can find all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, install this free app from this developer and just open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!